Basically, the first and foremost thing we should know about force is the force operates in pairs. There is always F1 and F2 operating on a body and also by the body. At any given point of time, these two forces will be in operation, and this results in either balanced force or unbalanced force. If there is a force of 10 newtons in this direction and 10 in the opposite direction, then we say that F1 equals F2, and therefore the object will move in neither of these directions, and this is what we call the balanced force. Because these values being equal, the net force will be 0, and the two scenarios are the body will be either in rest or it will be in equilibrium due to the operation of balanced forces. And in the case of unbalanced forces, one of these forces will be greater than the other, and therefore the motion of the object will be in the direction of the greater force.